How to add payment method on Wix website. To add a payment method to your Wix website, you have to follow the steps here. Now, first of all, you have to just access your website. So this is the dashboard of my website here. Now navigate to the settings. So in the left side in the bottom, you have to go to the setting. Now here you have to find this option of accept payment, which is on the top right side corner, the fourth option. Now click on here. This section allow you to manage how you receive payment from your customers. Now you will see options such as a fixed payment, right? So we are already there, but here we have a lot of option. For example, you have to first of all just check that your business location. For example, where for which country you're making your website. So my website is for India. For example, if I am making a website for the US citizens, so right, so I will just write here United States of America, right? Now here it is, and you will see my payment methods will be changed. Now the payment method will be shown which is acceptable in that country, right? So here you can see. Now you can see here accept credit debit card on Wix. So I will just go and click on connect, right? Now here I will again click on do you sell any of the provided products or the service? No, I don't do. You have to make sure you read this up. Click on accept and payment. Now here you will get a lot of options. For example, the credit card, Apple Pay, which I can turn it on, right? And this is for the Google Pay, and these are the other option which you can turn it on if you want to accept from these payment methods. For now I will just let it be what it is, and I will just go and click on continue. Right now let's wait here. Now it will just connect the provider. As you can see here, now Wix payment is connected. It's time to upgrade your site. So once you upgrade your site, you will able to see that it has been connected. Now we can also connect Apple Pay, Google Pay, and there's a lot of more option. Right now here we can just go back to here. Now we can also set up our Google and manual payments too. So this is a way how you can just connect. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.